Let's see how to zoom in a part on your video. First of all, select the video clip and go to Effect Controls, and here select Anchor Point. And then here we can see the anchor point. You have to place the anchor point into the part in which part you want to zoom in. In my case, I'm going to add this anchor point in here because I want to zoom in this part. After that, select Scale, and at the 0 second you have to add a toggle animation. After that, move the playhead and select the duration where you want to zoom in. Then again add another keyframe by clicking here. Now we have to move the scale value. So for example, I want to zoom in the video in this part 150%. So here I'm adding 150%, and then let's play the video. As you can see, my video is zooming in at this point. That's it.